Ever found yourself juggling multiple crypto wallets, struggling to manage your diverse portfolio across different blockchains? Do you wish there was one secure, intuitive platform that could handle it all? If you've nodded along, then you're precisely the person who needs to understand what type of wallet Bifrost is. Bifrost Wallet isn't just another crypto wallet, it's a comprehensive, self-custodial, multi-chain solution designed to simplify your Web3 experience. Think of it as your all-in-one portal to the decentralized world, offering a robust blend of security, accessibility, and broad asset support. At its core, Bifrost is a non-custodial wallet. This is a crucial distinction. In a non-custodial wallet, you hold the keys to your crypto. Your private keys are securely stored on your device only, never by a third party or in the cloud. This means you have complete and absolute control over your funds. No one, not even the Bifrost team, can access or move your assets without your explicit permission. This commitment to self-custody is a fundamental principle of Web3, empowering users and mitigating the risks associated with centralized exchanges and custodial services. The recent history of crypto has unfortunately shown us why not your keys, not your crypto is a vital mantra, and Bifrost Wallet embraces this fully. Beyond its self-custodial nature, Bifrost shines as a multi-chain wallet. This is where the magic truly happens for users with diverse crypto holdings. Instead of needing separate wallets for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Flare, Polygon, Dogecoin, and countless other tokens, Bifrost consolidates them into a single, streamlined interface. It supports over 1,000 coins and tokens across more than 14 different blockchains, including major networks like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP Ledger, XRPL, Flare, Base, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, BNB Smart Chain, and Phantom. This extensive compatibility eliminates the friction of switching between applications, making your crypto management significantly more efficient. But Bifrost is more than just a place to store your digital assets. It's built for Web3 exploration and engagement. It integrates a dApp browser, allowing you to directly interact with decentralized applications like Uniswap, SparkDEX, and XP Market right from within the wallet. This seamless integration means you can participate in DeFi, explore NFTs, and engage with various Web3 protocols without ever leaving the Bifrost environment. For users active in the Flare and Songbird ecosystems, Bifrost is particularly optimized, enabling features like delegating wrapped FLR, WFLR, auto-claiming FTSO rewards and flare drops, and managing facets like FXRP and FDOGE. Security is paramount for any crypto wallet, and Bifrost takes it seriously. It has been independently audited by security firms like Cure53 and FYEO, demonstrating a commitment to protecting user funds. Features like PIN codes, biometric authentication, and the reliance on a standard 12 or 24-word recovery phrase provide robust security measures, ensuring your assets are safeguarded. In essence, Bifrost Wallet is a secure, user-friendly, non-custodial, and highly versatile multi-chain crypto wallet. It's designed for both beginners seeking simplicity and power users who need deep functionality within specific ecosystems, all while prioritizing privacy and control. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.